you doing? Watch out. Be careful. Come around. Come over this way. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Okay, or not. What's up? What's up, baby? What? You trying to learn how to zip? Would you like some help? Say yes, please. Can you say yes, please? Can you say yes, please? You blow kisses? You really are trying to figure out the zipper, huh? Aww, can I get kisses? Yay! Is that for me? Here, go put all your things back. Thank you. You say cheese. Say cheese. Take your picture. Take a picture. Ready? Take a picture. Say cheese. Do it. You always do it. Now you don't want to do it. I'm trying to show all my friends. Ready? Go. What is that? You gonna go driving? Be careful. Ow. You know it goes up there, huh? You're so smart. My daughter's so smart. Oh, you want to put it up there. Oh! My child is so smart. Ready? Say cheese. Ready? Go. Say cheese. Put it on there. Can you do it? You know it goes up there. Oh, you want to do it? Okay. She wants to do it.